Hi Kevin, what have we got here?
We've got a mini alligator. It's the same size as a small polar bear.
And what weight was that?
This is a giant marrow, and this weighs 72.2 kilos, so just under 160 pounds.
Fantastic.
So we managed to get first place at the Harrogate Autumn Show. It's one of the biggest marrows that they've ever seen at the show. So
another first, well done.
It's quite a good achievement.
So when was it started off?
This was started off in June.
Yeah.
And then the marrow was pollinated around about July the 16th. So it's been growing from July the 16th to mid-September.
Fantastic growth.
Fantastic growth.
Yeah.
It's been growing for, what is that, 7.5, 8 weeks.
And is it your own seed or did you source
this is our own seed, so it's come from our 151 pound marrow, which we grew last year on 147, which was then crossed with our 150 in 2014 marrow.
Brilliant. So, what are you going to take that to Malvern?
No, we got another one growing, but God knows what it's going to be like.
You've got another surprise coming, have you?
Well, I don't know. There's no surprises.
And then, so it'll be Malvern, and then, I mean, what will you do with this? You'll be harvesting the seeds at some stage, and
yeah. So this will probably put it into the garage in a cool environment, and then we'll cut it open. The seeds probably will only come up to about half of the marrow. So this marrow is 56 inches long. It's quite a big marrow. It's the same size as an 11-year-old child, or an average 11-year-old child. So.
Shall I ask that question? Is it edible?
Yeah, it's perfectly edible. Jamie, my son, is going to be making some...
Stuffing it?
Well, you need a whole cow to stuff this, but he's going to be making some chili and marrow chutney.
All right.
So hopefully we'll get over 1,000 jars.
Yeah, 1,000 jars. Supply Sainsbury's. Yeah, brilliant. Well done on that.
Yeah, we've had quite a good year this year with marrows. We've got 7 plants growing, so we grow 4 in our allotment and 3 in our back garden.
Yeah.
It's quite a good achievement we've got 3 growing now, which are probably over 150 pounds, so
fantastic.
That's an achievement in itself.
Yeah.
But we need to just get to the 206 or 208 barrier. 210 would be nice.
Yeah. Oh, it'd be great.
I know Mark had a 203 pounder recently, which was damaged. And
yeah. Well, I mean, it's a fantastic bloodline as well. I mean, you're improving the genes, and you know, hopefully, like you say, you should get over the 200-pound mark at some stage. And
if you look at marrows, going through the years, probably 8 years ago, 9 years ago, you'd have a marrow weighing 80 pounds, 80 to 100 pounds. You'd come to a show and get a winner. But now marrows are way over 100 pounds.
Yeah.
I think it's because all the genetics, just like pumpkins, like Graham has grown a 700-pound pumpkin.
Yeah.
It's great to see that the genetics growing year on year.
Yeah. I mean, that would have been a world record 10 years ago, I guess.
It would have,
something like that.
Yeah, this would have been a world record 10 years ago as well. But the boundaries are always changing.
Yeah.
Like the world record pumpkin is 2,624 pounds.
Yeah.
We're always trying to get those records. And most of all, I think growing giant vegetables about having fun, supporting the local shows, the national shows. Without the national shows, we wouldn't have anywhere to go. So we wouldn't have people to talk to, people to get more enthused about growing.
Excellent. Cheers, Kevin.
Thanks.